So, while I don't get excited that boards get damaged, it does make me happy that customers can call me and say, hey, can you come check out my board? And I can fix them for them. So this beauty had to weather this Hurricane Ian. And the first thing that we started with is you got a nice little crack here, which is a little more of a crease. It's not super deep, so we just got a nice light resin coating on that we're going to finish. That will just seal that back up nice. The main area here that really needed attention is the nose. This must have been rubbing consistently against something. You can see it took it all the way down to the fiberglass underneath. But again, we started with a resin coating and also some additional fiberglass patching underneath there. So still got some sanding to do and a little bit more resin. And this beauty will be able to go back home and get back on the water.